Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Chamet application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do to download and install the Chamet application on your device. Once you do that, open the application. So once you open the application, you will find this interface where you can tap on start, or you can use your Google or your phone number to create an account. Or you can use your Gmail as well. So the first thing you need to do is to agree to the terms and condition. The next thing, I will use a phone number to create an account. So they will select the country where you're residing. The next thing you need to do is to enter your phone number. This is the country code, and here you need to enter your phone number. So I will type in my phone number. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to tap on next. So once you tap on next, they will send you a verification code and you need to enter it here on your phone number once you receive it. So once you enter the code here, now you need to select your gender and then tap on confirm. So here you need to select languages. This is the list of languages here. You can tap on more to discover more languages. Once you select the language, I will select English and then tap on confirm. So guys, once you tap on confirm, as you can see now, your account has been created on Chamet application. So this is all it takes to create an account on Chamet application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.